Aloha everyone and happy Halloween! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this lovely clock,
and we will be transforming it in something mystical, abstract. It will be very quirky.
so stay with us if you want to see how we did it step by step.
Let's do it!
I started this clock by giving a quick sand with an 120 grit. This will basically remove any imperfection and will also help the paint to properly bond to the surface. Then I clean it with white lightning, Dixie Belle furniture cleaner and a cloth. Once I was done cleaning it, I rinsed it twice with clean water so any solution or leftover dirt will go away. Let it dry for a few good hours and then it was ready to be painted.
I started with Bunker Hill Blue around the edges, and I actually left the middle unpainted because I will blend in a lighter color as a highlight. Now it's time to add Pure Ocean. It will look quite electric blended with the Bunker Hill Blue. I love this combination. Don't worry too much about the blending at this point. I actually blended way too much, but I shouldn't because it's just the first coat and it will be covered. I used synthetic brushes from Dixie Belle Paint, which will give a really smooth finish. Also, we never worry about painting the glass because later on we will clean that paint with some blades and all good. We don't have to use tape, do wastage and also waste our time because it takes lots of time. So yeah, you will see at the end. On the bottom, I applied Terra clay paint in Lani's Lagoon, this lovely baby blue, and I just apply it in any direction because I want to create like different texture and patterns, and this paint is just great because it's very thick. Then I use a fine sand block to smooth the piece and remove any imperfections. Now, moving on the second coat, we will introduce a third brush, a clean brush for blending. The same, I started with Bunker Hill Blue and then I applied Pure Ocean on the middle and I started to blend them. I used up and down, side motions until the blending was right. I also did some cute little highlights on the door. I made some gold sprinkles using Moonshine Metallic in Gold Digger that look absolutely amazing on this combination of blues. Also, check out this quirky idea. I added some pistachio, our #1 favorite from Terra clay paint. It looks like so mystical. This is the word that describes it really. We completely love it so much. I just added it here and there where I just felt it to look pretty. using an artist brush. I also created a little drip. I added water on the corner, paint, and then I added some more water and dabbed the harsh edges with my finger, and that's it. On the bottom part, I'm just going to do something abstract. I will also introduce some more colors. We will have lots of texture, patterns, splatters, lines, just an unexplainable situation. And the inspiration is the canvas I painted last week. So you can check that tutorial too if you'd like. It's available on our channel, but anyway, I will list it in the description below. We let the piece to set for 24 hours and then I sealed it with 3 layers of satin clear coat, and I let about 2 hours drying time in between each layer. We cleaned the paint of the glass with water and then with a sharp blade. It's super easy and quick. I applied golden gilding wax on every single edge of this clock, also on the handles little bit, and I did it just with my finger. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to see more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!